LUS is committed to our customers. From providing and maintaining energy-efficient utility services to friendly, helpful customer service, LUS is there. Because we don't just work in Lawrence County, we live here too.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Chilly temperatures for the overnight, definitely feeling like fall, and you may even want to have a light jacket if you're headed out toward daybreak in the morning. We'll talk about just how low here in just a second. A few rain showers possible Thursday afternoon and the Thursday night, and although we're going to ease the daytime highs back into the mid to upper 80s by the weekend, still no big heat anytime soon in the foreseeable future in the forecast here. A lot to talk about, even though it is relatively low impact type weather. We do have some details to talk about. Starting for the overnight here, our chilly temperatures feeling much more like the end of September, maybe the start of October. Lower 50s here for overnight lows across southern middle Tennessee. Mid 50s across North Alabama, Northeast Mississippi with clear skies, light northerly winds, and a dry air mass in place will have very efficient radiation cooling. Some of these sheltered valley locations in southeastern areas of Murray County, northeast Giles County, and into western parts of Marshall County. In Tennessee near I-65, I can't rule out a 48 or a 49 for your overnight lows toward daybreak, but that's going to be much more isolated than it will be the general expectation. Mostly sunny skies here for our Wednesday. Still a light northeasterly wind pumping in that seasonably cooler air. So despite the sunshine and it being late August, we're still talking about daytime highs in the upper 70s to the lower 80s across the area by the afternoon. And then with increasing clouds, not quite as chilly tomorrow night, falling back to the mid to upper 50s. If the clouds do roll in a bit thicker and a little bit sooner, we may have to bump this closer to the upper 50s and the lower 60s. We're still in flux with that. We'll be looking at the data overnight, and Kelly will be here in the morning to update if we have to bump these numbers for Wednesday night up just a couple degrees. The clouds setting us up for the chance of a few rain showers Thursday afternoon and the Thursday night with a system that will be west of us by daybreak on Thursday. Not expecting big rain out of this. The steady rain will miss our area to the south. It will be tracking from around the Memphis area down to around the Birmingham area, roughly give or take a few miles. But a few rain showers as far north as North Alabama, northeast Mississippi, and maybe some parts of southern middle Tennessee, certainly possible by the afternoon into the overnight of Thursday. But that shifts south before sunrise on Friday, decreasing clouds through Friday so that we're partly cloudy here, if not becoming mostly sunny as we head from our midday into the afternoon of Friday. We will return to sunshine across the area, and then still partly cloudy for your Saturday as we look at the Labor Day weekend here. You know, we can be a lot hotter than this around the Labor Day weekend, and we can also have things in the Gulf that we have to worry about, and thunderstorm complexes, all things considered, considering what we can see this time of year. This is certainly a decent forecast for the holiday weekend ahead. Partly cloudy, mid to upper 80s for Saturday, and then only isolated thunder showers around for Sunday into Labor Day on Monday itself. Daytime highs once again mid to upper 80s. No triple digits like we can usually see. Comfortable temperatures for the end of August and the start of September. We will certainly be thankful that this is the decent weather that we have. And even the next 7 days here and beyond this, honestly, talking about near or below average temperatures, even as we get up into the mid to upper 80s here from the weekend into early next week, that's still several degrees below average. We usually average out into the lower 90s this time of year, so still running below average, and that looks to continue for at least the next 10 to 14 days. And then beyond that, it's too far out, too questionable. So we'll see how things go as we head deeper into September ahead. That starts Monday of the coming week. Your first cup forecast, you should grab that first cup of coffee on the way out the door in the morning. Starting in the low to mid 50s, you may even need a light jacket for a couple of hours if you're going to be outside between 5 and 8 in the morning. A light northerly breeze out there, mostly clear skies, warming into the upper 70s and the lower 80s by the afternoon with plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds around. The clouds will start to thicken up late in the day and through tomorrow night. And that's going to lead to a few showers being possible, especially on the Alabama and Mississippi side of our state line here for Thursday, especially afternoon into the overnight. But a few showers can't be ruled out as far north as southern Middle Tennessee. I think it's going to be south of Highway 64, though. Decrease in clouds Friday, returning to sunshine after some morning clouds, partly cloudy Saturday, and then a few isolated thunder showers Sunday into Labor Day. Monday, we ease back to the mid to upper 80s from the weekend into early next week. That's Luke's latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rawson is in the Weather Center tomorrow morning live at 6 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.